Just another reminder about CKC1. Remember that it will open on Saturday, February the 5th at 12 a.m. and it is due Tuesday, February the 8th at 11:59 p.m. Failure to complete CKC1 by the due date will result in a grade of 0. When it becomes available, you will see CKC1 on the left side of your home screen, or you can access it through the menu under Assignments. Students showing mastery of at least 77 topics on CKC1 will earn a grade of 100. CKC1 will count as 5% of your overall grade in the course. It is not necessary to study, but if you want to review your learned topics, you can do so by accessing the menu and review. Working in review will not impact the number of topics in your PI. Remember that you must have a webcam and a clear photo ID in order to take the CKC. You will be prompted to download the Alex Lockdown browser. If you want to check the Lockdown browser and the webcam prior to opening CKC1, visit the CKC info button in eCampus. Remember that there are no extensions being granted for technical difficulties. So please take advantage of the opportunity to download the Lockdown browser and test it before attempting to take CKC1. If you need to take CKC1 on campus, you can do so Saturday, Monday, or Tuesday in the Math Resource Center or the Tutoring Center. Please see your eCampus CKC Info tab and Tutoring and Support tabs for additional information. Remember that week 3 topics are due Sunday, February 6th at 11:59 p.m. Please email me with any questions.